Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2009 Alpenlite Voyager from Western Rec. This is a model 32RL. It has two slide outs, rear living, quality coach in their day. Pre-2009, this is probably one of the last products they made before they went out of business. It had the fiberglass caps, had the aluminum frame construction, central vacuum, just a lot of innovation. We're way ahead of their time in the day. See here we have the slide out tray. It pulls out so you don't have to crawl into your RV to get it stored in the basement. Down the sides we've got big awning. I don't know if you notice there's toppers on the slide outs. Chrome wheels, extra wide radial entry door. We like those because they don't leak. And being a rear living, of course, it has all these big windows back here. Built-in ladder. Yeah, it is a walk-on roof. There's the awning toppers that just keep the pine needles from queuing up on top of your slide outs. Bedroom slide up here. If I were going to be critical on this RV, I do see a little bit of D-lam. If you can notice a little bit of wobbly there, but geez, that's getting kind of picky. And of course the decals are a little bit peeled in places. Sometimes people will take paint and touch those up or just remove them. Inside, let's take a look at this RV. We step inside and super roomy and spacious, all kinds of lights going on. We got recessed lights, a big old super slide with windows all over the place, a couple chairs in the back with a center stand. There's built-in cup holders. We have cabinetry above, overhead cabinets, glass paneled cabinets, all the original window treatments, probably the original sofa, I'm going to say. 4 chairs, freestanding dinette, and a central entertainment area. You put your TV here in the middle. Storage up above. Looks like it has some electronics possibly coming with it here. Galley area. If you like to cook, you're going to love this galley. Notice it's full residential height, 37 inches. All real plywood, just like you'd find in your house. Solid surface countertops. Dual basin. Stainless steel sinks. Even a spot for the garbage pail. Overhead. Plenty of pantry space. More storage on the side. Right as you walk in, underneath here we have slide controls, tank monitors, pots and pans storage here, light switches, kind of a strange place for them, Suburban stove, oven, nice and deep, you're not going to burn your biscuits here. Stovetop looks good, built-in knife rack. We have Dometic refrigerator freezer combination, and just a ton of storage all around it. Has these nice little drawers that pull out too, again, so you're not reaching back in the confines to get it. Has the built-in central vac. There's a kick sweep there. If you sweep any debris, pine needles is something you traipse in with your shoes, you can just hit that, it sucks it all away. Up the stairs and into the bedroom, we've got a glass shower stall with skylight up above. Yes, ducted AC. Looks like mattress that came with this is a little too big, but yeah, maybe we got a mattress around here we can put in instead. Lots of wardrobe space. Look at this. Glass paneled cabinets, storage underneath. It's got this sliding mirrored cabinet here, or a wardrobe closet I should say. Nightstand on this side of the bed. On this side of the bed we have more storage, and then a built-in dresser, bedroom sink. Television's been mounted where there probably was another cabinet door. They took that out and put the TV in. And lastly, a water closet with a power exhaust vent. 2009 Western Rec Alpenlite Voyager. It's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com, Coos Bay.